Welcome to Lucky's Foundation Universal School and College. Let me show you first the craze first. This is very smooth, which has been smooth by roller. There is no cracky and rift, which has been very smooth. And the ball would be about to drop here. And the players, from all of the groups are standing here for introducing sessions, for completing introducing sessions. Let's be introduced with all the players. You can see the first sessions of class 8 versus and class 6 would be held first. And all the respected teachers are standing here. Mr. Rashid
আমরা কিভাবে খেলা করব আর আমরা কারণ আমরা যখন বল করব আক্রমণ তো বল করব না অর্থাৎ কোনো স্টুডেন্টের জন্য ক্ষতিগ্রস্ত না হয় ঠিক আছে যে আমরা যদি হাতগুলো বাদে এমনি বল করি মানে কি সোলা বল করি
Jackie sir is trying his level best to manage and handle the game, and all the players, all the faces, the golden faces are smiling. Yes, all the players are very aggressive to win the match, today's match. No one is willing to spare any single moment, right? Okay. The opening sessions will be held one hour. The respected teachers, Rashid sir, the batting first, and Oval sir also the ball first. The opening ceremony has been started. Once again, the second ball is coming from the Rubel sir. This is very fast bowler, and the batsman Rashid sir. Let's see what's gonna happen. Wow, what a fantastic shot. Thank you, sir, for opening the sessions. Thank you. Thank all of you. The toss sessions is going to be held between the two teams, Class 8 versus Class 6.
ওকে তুমি স্পিন করো ইউল গোনা কল সব বললাম আই নেম মজা করতে করতে ঠিক আছে হ্যাঁ কি নেবা সবাই তুমি কি নেবা ব্যাটিং ফার্স্ট বোলিং ফার্স্ট
Oh, Class 6 will won the toss and choose the bowling first. So thank you. And finally, we can come to know that Class 6 won the toss and choose the bowling first. The opening batsman on behalf of the Class 8, Rajib and Jihad. The opening bowler, Class 6, fantastic ball, the first ball. Wide job. The umpire decisions. This ball. Second ball, no run. The players of Class 6 always try to keep the opposite party and under pressure. And in the committee box, let him introduce all of the committee box, the committee and the respected teachers and the athlete, our honorable Rubel sir, and also let me introduce one of our respected teacher, and is Sabit sir, and our Maruf sir, and all of them, all the gracious and golden faces are provided here.
please.
Shoykut sir, Sanjit sir, thank you sir, thank you all of you. The next ball. The batsman is trying to take a run, but there is no run prevalent here.
আমি যে স্কোরবোর্ডে আরেকজনকে বলতে হবে কোথায় ভালো লাগবে স্যার এই পিজে ভালো লাগবে
Oh, what a shot! The huge shot. The Class 8 they started opening the run score of 1.
Class 8 5 with 0 wicket.
And the Class 8 has been capable of taking the round of 5 without loss.
বল লাগে 7-8টা হ্যাঁ পোলাবান সেই রূপবান হাফ বলে দিও না হাফ বলে কোনো সময় মিস নাই হাফ বলে চেক দিও
Next ball.
ইয়র প্ল্যান
No run. Third ball once again.
ক্রিকেটে পাল্টা দিছে
Oh, the heel shot. Finally, 6. A huge shot. The crowd is, as well as the bunch of students or the spectators, they are taking it fun and beating the drums. Beating the drums. Today the first sessions of the Premier League of Akis Burton School and College, Class 6 versus 8. And already Class 8 has been capable of taking the 8 runs without loss. The fourth over. Fourth over been running for this moment. The batter were Privalet and Jalal Sheikh and Rajiv. The next ball wide.
5 run. 5.
Wanted by run. And totally 5 run declared by umpire. Would you like to say something about today's match? I would like to hand over the ball and the mic to the Summit right now. Okay, next ball. The fielders were running after the ball, but failed to catch, to retain into the field. Next ball. Wide.